In the comic strip Calvin and Hobbes, Calvin is sitting at a desk with a book, looking stressed out, and says, "God put me on earth to accomplish a certain number of things. Right now, I am so far behind that I will never die." We all feel that way sometimes, don't we? I mean, things to do just pile up and there aren't enough hours in the day. And when someone tells us we need to pray more, it can seem like just one more thing. But God never intended praying to be something that's added on to an already busy life. Instead, it's about knowing Him in a way that pours life into us and gives us new strength to live. Jesus said in Matthew 11:28, "Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest." We really can come to Him and be with Him and rest in Him and know that He is with us. That happens through prayer and God's Spirit at work in us as we pray. Real prayer isn't this thing we do where we have to get the words just right. It's so much better than that because it's all about being with Jesus. It's not just a head thing, it's a heart thing. It's about listening and loving and leaning in and discovering that we are genuinely loved more than we ever knew. It's not something we have to do, it's something we get to do. And that is worth every moment.